Hello students, good morning. My name is Harendra Tiwari from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Now in this video I am going to explain molecular speed of gaseous molecule. Actually, as we know that gaseous molecules are always in a motion. So when they are in a motion, they collide with another particles, means they keep on colliding with each other, and because of that we cannot measure the speed of a particular molecule as well as energy of a particular molecule. So there were two scientists, Boltzmann and Maxwell. Both were studying about the different speeds of molecules, and they were trying to explain the molecular speed. Actually, we cannot calculate the molecule actually we cannot calculate the speed of one molecule, but we can calculate the average speed of the molecule. We can calculate most probable speed of the molecule, and we can calculate root mean square speed of the molecule. So in order to explaining the speed of associated with a particular molecule or molecule, Maxwell and Boltzmann, they derived the formula for the different molecular speeds, and well as they plot a graph, and with the help of the graph they explain the molecular speeds associated with a gaseous molecule. So first of all, I am going to explain here, introduce to you that's what are the different types of molecular speeds. So we call that Maxwell, Boltzmann distribution of molecular speeds. So the first molecular speed is that most probable speed. Most probable speed. What is the meaning of most probable speed? The speeds possessed by the maximum number of molecule. Most probable speed indicate us that is the speed possessed by the most maximum possible molecules. It is denoted by U. Speed is denoted by U, and most probable, so we write MP. This is the term we use to designate the most probable speed. So most probable speed. So most means maximum molecules possesses the speed. Means suppose, for example, I tell you in a class there are 100 students. So out of 100 students, in an examination they have participated in an examination, and in that examination, suppose mathematics examination they have given, or chemistry. So there are 1 to 20 students, they score below 20. 21 to 30 students, 21 to 30, they score above 20 means 20 to 40, and 31 to 50 students, they score 40 to 60, then 50 to 75 they score 61 to 78 80, and 75 after 75 76 to 90 they score 81 to 90 marks, and above that 91 to 100 they score 91 to 100. So here we have to find that the number of students score highest number of students they score. So here 10 to 20 10 students, 21 to 30 10 students, 31 to 50 20 students, 50 to 75 25, 76 to 90 50. This is about 10 students. So 25 students they have scored 61 to 80, means maximum score 61 to 80 possessed by maximum number of the student. 25 students they have scored this value. So such as the most probable speed, the range of speed possessed by maximum number of molecule. Is it clear? A range of speed possessed by maximum number of molecule. So here we can write the speed possessed by maximum number of gas molecule is called most probable speed. Most probable speed. So Maxwell and Boltzmann they have derived relation between the number of molecules and speed, and they got the one relation. So u is equal to UMP, most probable speed is equal to, they have calculated and find the formula 2RT divided by M. M is here, R is here, universal gas constant, T temperature, and M molar mass. For example, question: what is the most probable speed of oxygen molecule at 25 degrees Celsius temperature? At a particular temperature, this relation derived at a particular temperature, right? So at a 25 degrees Celsius, what is the most probable speed of oxygen? So by mistake I am writing mu. This is a U. UMP is equal to under root 2RT divided by M. Is it clear? 2RT divided by M. So at the place of 2 under root, that will be 2. R is the universal gas constant, and the value of R is 0.0821 atm liter, mole inverse 1, Kelvin inverse 1 divided by, sorry, temperature 25 degrees Celsius. So we take temperature in terms of the Kelvin. So now here 25 degrees Celsius plus 273, that we get that 298 Kelvin. For the making calculation easy, let me take it. 27 degrees Celsius. So 27 degrees Celsius, 300 Kelvin. So put the 300 Kelvin divided by molar mass. So molar mass of oxygen is what? Molar mass of oxygen 32 gram per mole. 32 gram mole inverse 1. So mole inverse 1, mole inverse cancel, Kelvin cancel. So now here most probable speed we will get. So on solving these equations you will get that most probable speed. So you do solve and calculate the value. So you solve it, then the next speed is average speed of the molecule. Now number 2 is let me write here. First, most probable speed we have calculated the most probable speed is equal to under root 2 RT divided by M. Now next is that average speed. Average speed that is denoted by UAVG. So average speed possessed by the number of molecule. Suppose in a class there are 100 students, and out of 100 students there are the different students score the different marks. So what is the average mark of the average mark of the class? So add the all total marks and divided by the number of students. So same as average speed is that sum average of the marks. The average speed of all molecules, the average speed of all molecules is equal to sum of all speed and divided by number of molecule. So here sum of all speed. So there are, suppose n molecule is there. So V speed of, if U1 is the speed of one molecule, U2 is the speed of another molecule, U3 is the speed of another molecule, U4 is the speed of fourth molecule, so on. Un is the speed of n molecules. Then average speed UAVG is equal to U1 plus U2 plus U3, so on, Un divided by n. Is it clear? So now our average speed will be u average is equal to sum of speed of all molecule. So u I divided by n, and Boltzmann and Maxwell, they have find out, they derive equations, and they got that average speed is equal to under root 8 RT by pi m. So now we got the average speed is that. So number 2, average speed is equal to root 8 RT divided by pi m. Clear? Now third is root mean square speed. It is represented by URMS. So what is this? Root of mean of square of all speed. Root of, तो RMS is equal to first root of mean of means u1 plus u2 plus u3 so on un, mean of square of all speed, square of all speed, square of all speed, then mean divided by total number of molecule. So root of mean of square of all speed is known as root mean square. So on solving, it will come summation u n square divided by ith number of molecule. So you can write I, then n. So on solving this equation, they got that 3 RT divided by m. So now our third is that URMS is equal to root 3 RT divided by m. So now here I have discussed there are 3 different types of the speed, most probable speed, average speed of the molecule, and root mean square speed. Is it clear? So now I am going to explain a relationship between all these 3 speeds. Now relationship between UMP, U average, and root mean square speed. So just write the value. 2 RT divided by m is to 8 RT divided by pi m is to 3 RT divided by m. So RTM will be cancelled out. Under root 2 under root 8 by pi and under root 3 by nothing, 3. So on solving we will get the relation 1 is to 1.28 is to 1. I have written the relation 1.224. So many disturbances I am getting today. 1 is to 1.28, 1.224. So this is the relation between all these three speeds. So now if you see here, if you arrange in the decreasing order, then first of all we get that URMS is greater than U average and is greater than UMP. So this is the relation. You have noted down, then I will discuss the graph. Now graph. So number of molecule, Maxwell and Boltzmann, they have plot one graph, number of molecules versus speed. So such as at the two different temperature, this I will explain this graph. So here speed, and at this axis number of molecules. So see here, number of molecules 0, speed will be 0. Right. Now number of molecules increases, then speed will be increases. A time will come that is most probable speed will be maximum, and then after that there are some molecules they are possessing very less speed. Okay, suppose 2 km per second speed, 5 km per second speed, such this many number of molecules having 7 km per second speed. So the number of molecules increases, speed increases, but after that, this is the molecule, this number of molecules are possessing maximum speed. These number of molecules are possessing maximum speed. The molecules come at this point. These molecules are possessing maximum speed, that we call that most probable speed. Right? Then this line expresses that the molecules are possessing average speed. And this line expresses molecules possesses root mean square speed. Means this number of molecules they are possessing average speed, and this number of molecules are possessing root mean square speed. So here the speed possesses maximum number of molecules, that which call that most probable speed. So the relation previously I told you, this is URMS is greater than U average and is greater than UMP. Just we have found these relations in this order. So see that. Now see, speed. So speed increases that side, na? This speed is more or this or this. So when we see that the speed graph, means when this graph is flattened, means speed increases. When the graph peak shifted downwards, means the speed increases. See, their speed at this point, speed is more speed increases. The number of molecules decreases now. So suppose this is curve at T1 temperature, right? This is curve at T1 temperature. So if we have the two different temperature T1 and T2, T2 is greater than T1. So at highest temperature, what curve we will get? So the temperature will increase, then curve will shift downward. Then curve will shift downward. So here this is a most probable speed, this is average speed, and this indicates us root mean square speed. This curve at T2 temperature, where T2 is greater than T1, means peak is shifted downwards when the temperature increases. It became flattened and flattened. T3, then it will be shift downwards. So this graph we call Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution of speed. Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution of speed. Suppose there are number of the students and their score. So maximum student achieve this score. Average score of the class, this value, and root mean square of their marks is this value. So you noted down it, then I will just give the some important points. Note, peak shift forward, most probable speed increases. Forward means forward. Now at this point, so UMP and UMP. Here the number of molecules having the most probable speed is more than at this point the number of molecules having the speed. At this point, so shifted forward. Then the most probable number of molecule possesses the most probable speed, maximum speed is increases. Then second is that peak shift downward means shift downward at the same point, downward. Then UMP decreases, means most probable speed possessed by the molecules, number of molecules decreases. Clear?